Jesus walked on water. Your girlfriend will walk down the aisle. And I am walking down the staircase of your dream home. Hi, this is Mungai Kihara, and today we are going to show you this development that was recently completed, and we are going to hand it over to the clients on this Saturday. So if you'll be available, you need to come and see what we do to our clients, talk to them, see if they are happy, and if you would want to be one of them in our next project. It is 30% complete. It will be ready in 45 days, and if you don't believe me, call me after 45 days and everything will be sold out. First things first, we have had several complaints from some of you who have bought properties without doing proper due diligence. Ukifunikwa, funikika. But if you don't want to go through that hassle and bustle of brokers and thieves, make sure you call us for a proper pre-purchase inspection to verify the legality of the documents of the property that you're purchasing. Right now, we are at the main gate of this small gated estate, and as you can see, you get a main gate which allows everyone to get to the estate, and you have your individual gate to get you or to allow you into your home. Let's walk through this driveway. From there, you can see that the driveway is big enough for two cars to pass each other. As you can see, the estate has been surrounded by a perimeter wall. The developer has equipped the estate with two silents just to make sure there wouldn't be any issue of insecurity. Walk with me. All the units have been sold out, but we are selling a new phase which is going up very fast and very well. The units are slightly bigger, that's why we are going to sell them for only 14 million Kenya shillings. Come with me. Now we are at the gate of the main unit, and what you get is a 4-car parking done excellently. You have some space here, a space on my far front where you can do your greenery. Below the staircase, you have the external bathroom, and each unit comes with an external bathroom. So plus the 4 bathrooms that you get in the unit, that is maximum utilization of space. From there, you can agree with me that the unit has been done excellently. I'm loving the beauty of this unit, and it is blending very well with the environment that it has been built in. This is the entrance porch, and it does a very good job to welcome you to your unit. The print area of these homes is 190 square meters. Let's go inside. I like it when you notice that the developer is giving you value for money. This living room is big enough to fit a 9-seater couch, and this would be a perfect space for your family. I'm loving the ceiling heights. They are not the highest. This light is distracting my head, but the ceiling heights are okay for normal people. As you can see, you get a massive window on this side to make sure that this living room is very well lit, and this is the focal point, the TV area, and it comes with this fireplace. You can get it as fake as you see it right now, or you can get a proper fireplace just at an extra cost. This space has been done very well, and it blends very well with the rest of the unit. From there, you can see that we are getting a center light. You have some side lights, and some recess lights have become necessary these days. On my far front, where we are right now, is the dining room, and it comes with a wash basin on my left hand side. You get several compartments to keep your hard wash, or maybe a small towel for the people who will be using that while they are preparing to enjoy the food that will be served in this dining area. The space would be big enough for an 8-seater dining set. If you like a bigger one, you need to get a bigger unit. The dining area is welcoming us to the kitchen, and this is my favorite point of this unit. Before we even get to the kitchen, just look at this countertop. It should act as your bar area or a breakfast table area. But before we see all that, just look at this painting. It is a painting, but it is lit. Very beautiful. I'm liking the innovation. On this side, you have a space for your side-by-side refrigerator. Excellent space. The kitchen comes fully fitted with all the fixtures that you may require. The kitchen also comes with enough socket to fit all your kitchen appliances, and in the new development, the kitchen will come with a dishwasher. On this side, you have your washing space. The cooking should be done there, and for the extra storage, you have a pantry next to me. You get this door from the kitchen, metal casement, good quality. I'm loving it, and it opens to the laundry area of this unit. The space is big enough to do a washer and dryer, and what you get on this side is your clotheslines area. Very well modified and easy to dismantle, especially when you want to use the space for other businesses. I'll take you back inside. From the kitchen area, you have a small walkway that takes you to the bedrooms, and if you would want to get the details of this unit and compare it to many more around this area, actually right now we are in Ruiru Mugutha, you need to check out our website, africanrealestate.com. The walkway comes standard with a shoe rack, and the shoe rack is big enough to do 50 pairs of shoes. So for a normal family, this is just perfect. On my left hand side, you have the first and the second bedrooms. We will see that in a second. And on my right, you have the primary bedroom where you and your partner should enjoy the fruits of your labor. This is the first bedroom, and it is targeting your teenagers or your children which have grown a bit. On this side, you get a closet which is floor to ceiling. You have some extra spaces for the shoes, and the partitionings have been done very well with 2 drawers down there. On this other side, you get a 6-feet window to give you enough natural light, and it is giving you a view to the side yard of this unit. The bathroom is here. It comes standard with a wash basin, a WC, and a showering area. All bathrooms adopt a similar concept, and the only difference is sizes. Next to the first bedroom, you have the second bedroom, and this one is a bit different. Just come into the bathroom. This bathroom is targeting your tiny kids. That's why it comes with this platform. I'm loving it that it comes with anti-slip tiles, and this is perfect for small kids. Because when you have the shower this high and the kid is this tiny, the water becomes a bit painful. So you need to create a platform like this for them and remove it when they grow up. What you get standard in these bathrooms is a bidet sprayer. All the other fixtures are just similar. This bedroom is slightly bigger than the first one because the developer was aiming for you to do 2 small beds, or in case you have twins, they would easily fit in this bedroom. The closet is massive, and the window is big enough to give this bedroom enough natural light. Let us see the master bedroom or the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is the biggest. I'm loving the size of it. This would be perfect for a king size, queen size, or a customized bed as usual. The window is 8 feet long, and it is giving you the best views of your laundry area or a space where you can have your kitchen garden. From there, I know you have noticed one thing, that you get 2 big closets for you and your partner. That is an excellent decision from the developer. And you have a small walkway here that takes you to the primary bathroom. Just come. The primary bedroom gets a mini vanity which comes with a smart mirror, and on this other side you have the bathroom which comes with a sizable shower cubicle, which would be enough to do a small jacuzzi. You get everything else as standard, but you are also getting a double towel holder. Right now we are at the roof deck of this unit, and it is giving you a print area of around 120 square meters. This would be perfect for your boys to enjoy their football, and when they grow up they can take that extra room for themselves. Let's see it. But before we do, on top of that room, you have 6,000 liter water tanks, and they come standard. You get an external toilet for the people who will be using the roof deck, which is also a Jack and Jill to be accessed from that bedroom. Out here, you have some space where you can wash your hands after doing the chores up here. And you have an extra space on that other side where you can do your greenery. This bedroom is just perfect for boys, and if you don't know the reason why, you should ask them. If you don't want your boys to stay in this room, it would be a perfect employee quarters. The bathroom is here, and on my right hand side you have a mini closet that fits that purpose. For the new estate, it is very easy to purchase a unit there. Just 20% deposit, and the balance will be paid on completion. Call us in the number that will be attached down here in the first comment, and that's all for today.